SAP Single Sign-On, or SSO, is a solution that simplifies access to applications. We'll explore how it minimizes password hassle, ensures a smooth experience, and strengthens security. This isn't just tech jargon. It's making life easier while keeping things secure. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it? I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Single sign-on is the superhero of authentication systems. It lets users log in once and access multiple platforms effortlessly. This approach reduces security risks and boosts productivity. Let's dive deeper into why SSO is such a game changer. SSO is crucial for enterprise applications. It's like giving your team a universal key to access tools securely. It cuts down IT headaches while keeping systems safe. Plus, happy employees lead to better productivity. What's not to love? SAP SSO operates like a VIP pass, using certificates for secure authentication. These certificates act as trusted credentials, ensuring smooth and safe interactions. Let's unravel how these magic tokens work in SAP's ecosystem. The key features of SAP SSO certificates make them a standout choice for authentication. Security, integration, and ease of use are just the start. By the end of this section, you'll see why SAP checks all the right boxes. The benefits of SAP SSO certificates are compelling. They simplify management, enhance security, and ensure a great user experience. Plus, they help cut costs, a rare win in the IT world. Let's explore these advantages together. SAP uses a range of certificates, from X509 to self-signed ones, each with its perks. PKI scales well, while trusted certificates ensure reliability. Think of certificates as the gatekeepers of secure authentication. SAP SSO works like a charm. You log in, authenticate via certificates, and voila, you're granted access to multiple systems. Encryption ensures security, making it a reliable option for enterprises. Let's break this process down further. Certificates play a vital role in authentication, validating identities and securing exchanges. They reduce risks and enable trust between systems. They're the secret sauce of SAP SSO's security recipe. All right, folks, let's dive into setting up SAP SSO certificates. First, know your SAP landscape, like knowing the terrain before heading on a trek. Then, whip out the SAP Trust Manager to generate that magic certificate. Next, configure the single sign-on, because nobody likes unnecessary password juggling. Finally, test everything, because no one wants surprises in production. Smooth access, fewer headaches. Implementing SAP SSO sounds easy, until reality hits. Compatibility issues creep up when old and new versions refuse to cooperate. Misconfigured certificates can cause trust issues. Literally, users will complain when they can't log in, and performance bottlenecks. They're the plot twist no one asked for. But don't worry, we'll tackle these one by one. Security is like locking your doors before heading out. Except here, the locks are cryptographic. Trusted certificates ensure authenticity. Strong encryption keeps hackers from snooping where they shouldn't. Keep an eye on certificate expiration, because no one wants a sudden lockout. And finally, limit access, because handing out keys randomly is a recipe for disaster. Good certificate management is like keeping track of your important documents. Misplace them, and chaos follows. Document everything, automate renewals, because manual processes are overrated. Audit regularly for security hygiene, and most importantly, educate users. If they understand how SSO works, half your troubleshooting nightmares vanish. Troubleshooting SSO is like detective work. First, check the certificate validity. Maybe it expired while no one was watching. Then, dive into logs for clues, ensuring everything is properly connected. If things still refuse to work, brace yourself. Reset and reconfigure, because sometimes starting fresh is the quickest fix. SAP SSO is great, but only if it plays well with other modules. Start with enabling support for Fiori, EC, and BW. These are the stars of the show. Configuring third-party authentication ensures seamless access. Sync credentials with Active Directory, because consistency matters. And before rolling it out, test everything, because better safe than sorry. The future of SAP SSO is exciting. Passwordless authentication is on the horizon. Goodbye, annoying password resets. Biometric and multi-factor authentication add layers of security. AI-driven monitoring will predict risks before they happen. In cloud-based SSO, it's all about flexibility, ready for the future. And that's a wrap. We covered everything, from implementation steps to troubleshooting and future trends. Security is key. Best practices keep things smooth, and knowing how to troubleshoot saves the day. Keep learning, keep adapting, because tech never stands still. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.